Caution! HID xenon bulbs use high voltage electricity. Please make sure electrics are off. Disconnect the battery to be safe.
So in this video I'm going to show you how to change the xenon bulb. It's a little bit awkward, as per normal, because this clip that holds the backing on is really simple. Just put your finger around the back and just unclip it. A little bit awkward, nothing too special. There you go. So as you can see, that just clips in those two grooves there, one at top, one at bottom, swings over. Problem is, the next one is down, I don't know if you can see it in there, there's the top of it, just there, and you can't get your fingers in. So, let's try it with a screwdriver. It should just pop off. There you go. Bottom one done. Top one done. Yes, so if you can see it just there, look. It's off. So now the plastic cover should come off. Just push that clip, needs to go right the way to the end. There you go. It's just typical of the manufacturers. They don't get any space to do a simple routine job. So I'm now going to hold. That's the cover that's coming off. There. It's not quite come off on the bottom lug. I'm trying to look down that hole there. There we go. It's just popped off. So the back comes off. It's a hard plastic cover. Okay. Now with these you've got to be very, very careful. The high voltage, again, it's tucked out of the way. It's a bit difficult to show you. I'm trying to get the light. It's just tucked. So there's the bulb. Just turn it around. What's happening here? And so that's the headlamp bulb, and it's the xenon bulb next to it. There's a little clip on the plug. Just have to release the. I wish it was easy to show you without taking the headlight bulb out. It's a bit better, upside down. There you go, that's the one I'm after there. That's the plug it sits into. Press the little clip at the bottom. To release the plug from the back of the bulb. Again, it's as fiddly as anything. You can see that I'm getting a screwdriver. That's the tab there. Just need to press that down. And it pulls off the bottom. Because it's on metal, it's slippy. You can't get a very good grip.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
Found a little bit of a better view. That's the back of it. There's a little tab below it that holds a little plug. Okay, so lots of messing about. He's got no room. Finally got the bulb out. This one's a little bit damaged on removal. My fault. As you can see, it's cracked the glass. My fault. Okay, so once you've got the bulb out, as with all car bulbs, don't touch the bulb itself with your fingers. So removal and replacing are the exact opposite. So I'm going to insert the bulb that way with move my hand out of the way, with the plug bit facing downwards. It's going to insert that way, and then I'm going to put the plug back in there. So I've put the bulb back in place, I'm trying to show you, and then I'm just going to push firmly. See where my thumb is? I'm just going to push firmly into the spring clips. Hopefully it should just slot back in place. So the plug's back in. It's very hard to see. I'm trying to get, there you go. Plug's back in. Bulb's in place. Now I'm going to check before I put the cap back on. There we go. There we go, all fixed. And then replace plastic cover. Again, if you put the plastic cap in as you're looking at it, the right hand side first, and then this bit slots in afterwards, and then it just flips over like that. Just check again.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.